What's up, y'all? Today is day 4 of 75 hard, and I'm doing my outside workout. So each day I'm going to be throwing out a message, something that I think is powerful, something that I think could help you in your business. And if you go through these videos, what you're going to see is that no matter what happens, you make this a priority in your life. And what I'm talking about is a lot of us, specifically in the real estate business, believe me, I've seen it. We sacrifice our health. We sacrifice time with family. And we literally use it as a crutch and call it sacrifices when really we do have the time. And we lie to ourselves by saying that we don't. Believe me, I'm guilty of this. I've been there before. And so I want to talk about something that's going to help you guys out. It's a core value, right? The core values that you got to have, specifically if you want to live the type of life that you want to live. And I'll give you an example, okay? So this is something that my mentor Preston Brown gave me, and I'm going to give you guys because it really helped me out with getting my priorities straight. Now, my priorities were always good, but I wasn't making family and I wasn't making fitness a priority. So if you're ever trying to gauge the quality of your life, it starts with 4 basic principles. It's called faith, family, fitness, finance. Faith, family, fitness, finance. Now, what do these things mean? I'm going to break it down for you guys real quick. Number 1 is faith. Faith in your ability to be able to do the things that you know that you're supposed to fucking do to get the desired result that you want to get. And it's not just faith in God, it's faith in the alignment that you have with your own soul, with your Lord, if you want to make God a really important part of this, to be successful. Having faith in your ability to do the things that you need to do to get you to where you want to go. Okay? The second one is family. Now, family isn't just the people that you are basically blood with. Family is also the people that you have around you. Because I promise you, family isn't always blood. Some of you guys have closer relationships with your friends than you do your actual family. And so family for me is your ability to be able to make family a priority in life. Family being either your friends, the people that you're associated with, the people that you have at work, the ones that are a part of your business. Are they aligned with what it is that you're trying to do and the places that you want to go? Because I guarantee it, if you have the wrong family, you will fail in business. You will fail in a lot of things by not having the right people in your circle. And it's okay to audit your circle. The third one is fitness. Now, some of you guys are thinking like, okay, fitness being like, am I going out? Am I working out every day? Am I making the gym a priority? Am I making outside a priority? That is one part of it. But what fitness really means is, does this fit in my life? Is the thing that I'm trying to accomplish align with my end goal? For me, it was real estate investing. For you, it could be something different. But does this fit in my life? Can I make it a priority? Is it something that I know that I can absolutely do? Can I put it into my schedule? And does it give me life? Okay? And then the last one is finance. Finance is understanding your money, knowing where your money is going, knowing how much money is coming in, and having control of micro spending. A lot of us guys, we do make enough money to start a business. But what holds us back is all these damn subscriptions. You got Disney Plus, you got Netflix, you got Hulu, you got all these different companies, right? That are dragging you down. And if you canceled those subscriptions and made finance a priority in your life, you'd literally save yourself a couple $100 if you knew the amount of money that was coming in, the amount of money that was going out, and you had your finances in order. So anytime that you watching this want to gauge the quality of your life, you can do this by using these 4 things: faith, family, fitness, finance. And if it's a priority to you, you will make time for it. You will make time for it. Okay? So don't sacrifice health. to get your wholesaling business off of the ground. Don't put in years of work just to look back and have back problems and heart problems. Learn how to balance things with your faith, balance things with your family, balance things with your fitness, and get a hold of your goddamn money with them finances. So that's the tip that I have for you guys today. Love you guys. God bless y'all.